crafty friends, this is Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute itty bitty paper candy. So for this project you're going to need a square sheet of paper. This is a 3-inch square. You'll also need a pair of scissors, some ribbon or string or twine. I'm going to be using baker's twine because I just think it looks really pretty, and I had it lying around, so why not? And also some glue stick or any type of adhesive. I also have a ruler here that I'm going to use to help me guide myself along the way, and I'll show you why I'm choosing to use a ruler rather than just folding without a ruler. But anyway, so here we go. We're going to take our square sheet of paper. We're going to flip it around so that the color side is facing down towards the table away from us. So what you want to do is you want to fold up about 1/2 inch. So I got my ruler here. This is about 1/2 inch. It doesn't have to be exact. And now what you want to do is you want to take your glue stick and we're going to dab a little bit of glue right over here. So just go right there. There we go. And now you want to take this and you want to align the bottom side with the top side. So let's just take this and we're going to fold it all the way up and we're going to crease it in. And then flatten the crease at the bottom. And then after that, we're going to fold it in half again. And so we're going to take the bottom side, we're going to align it to the top side, and we are going to crease it in. Now we want to find the center point, but I don't want to make a crease because then it'll make a crease on the body of the candy bar, and I don't really want to see that there. So this is about is a 3-inch square, so 1.5 inches is about right over here. I'm just going to put my finger right here so I don't forget. And then you're going to take one of the sides, maybe the right or the left, doesn't matter, and you're going to fold it to that center point and give it a really, really nice crease. You're going to do the same thing on the left side. So you're going to put that and fold it towards the center. So now you got 2 little barn doors, if you will. And now you just want to guesstimate the center point between here and here. So I'm going to say it's right about right there. And you're going to take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut at an angle, not right at the center point, but just slightly above it. So we're to cut at an angle right there. And we want to do the same thing on this corner as well. So when we do it on this corner, you want to make sure you don't cut right at this tip, otherwise it's just gonna fall off. It's just gonna break. So you want to do right before the tip, so that you have a little paper left over here to work with. And then you want to turn it around and do the same thing on this side. So when you do it on this side, you sort of want to kind of make sure it's around the same, that they're both the same. Otherwise you'll have a little bit of a crooked candy bar, but that's okay if it is. So we're going to go like that and like this. So now we have our 2 little barn doors looking like that. We are going to open it up and you can already see the candy shape kind of forming. Now what you want to do is you want to make little zigzags on the side. Now this part is actually optional, but I think it looks better when there are zigzags. So you can do, 3 spikes like I'm doing, or you can do more. So I'm just going to do 3. And then do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to rotate it. Now this is probably going to be easier if you use a smaller pair of scissors. I just happen to have this really giant one lying around, so I'm using a big one, but definitely easier if you use a smaller one for smaller cuts like this. So now you have your candy almost done. We are going to open everything up. And this is actually kind of cool. This reminds me of like those little snowflakes you used to make when you're in elementary school. And if you're still in elementary school and you're watching this, then hopefully you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, we're gonna open it up There we go. You want to stick your finger in there, and actually it looks really cool when it's opened up like that. And next what you want to do is you want to take your twine, your ribbon, your string, whatever it is you want to use, and we're going to snip a little bit off. And then I'm going to lay this on the table, lay the candy on top. I'm going to tie yourself a little bow. You can tie a bow, you can tie a knot. I like to make a bow because I think it's just inherently cute. And everything should just kind of cinch at the center. And now the cool thing about this is that you can actually put like little treasures in here, like little beads or maybe mini candies or something on the inside before you seal off this side. I'm not going to do it because I just want to show you guys how to make it. So, but you definitely can put something on the inside, which would be kind of cool. Maybe roll up a dollar bill or something. Here we go. Make sure it's not too tight, otherwise you're just going to break it. Tie her a bow. And just like that, your itty bitty paper candy is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to make more paper foods or origami foods, make sure you check out my whole origami food playlist. I have cheeseburger, french fries, fish and chips, chicken drumstick dinner type thing, bacon and eggs. They're all super duper fun. Make sure you hit subscribe to support this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment letting me know what you would like me to make next, and I will see you next time. Bye!